Are you a developer trying to keep up with generative AI? GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, OpenHands. These tools are transforming how we work. But how do you move from just using them to mastering them? How do you use AI to actually write better, cleaner, and more efficient code? This guide might be the answer. Let's be honest. AI tools can be amazing, but they can also be frustrating. They can write buggy code, or hallucinate solutions. Just prompting isn't enough. You need to understand how to integrate them into your workflow for debugging, refactoring, and even documentation. That's where the real skill is. And that's why I'm looking at *I Assisted Coding, the practical guide for software development, from Rhinewerk Publishing. This isn't just a book about prompts. It's a practical guide that digs deep into how developers can use AI as a true pair programmer for every part of the development lifecycle. So, what's inside? The book breaks down core concepts that developers need to know. It covers hype versus reality, teaching you the real possibilities and pitfalls of AI tools. Then, it dives into assistance for all tasks. For example, this page shows how to use AI for practical tasks like generating API documentation. It also answers the big question, in the cloud or local. This page dives into running models locally with tools like Ollama, giving you more control and privacy. The book is also packed with advanced topics beyond simple code generation. For instance, this page explores Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG, plus other key skills like unit testing and refactoring. If you're a developer who wants to stay on the cutting edge and make AI a reliable part of your toolkit, this guide looks like an essential read. You can find the official link to buy the ebook or print edition right in the description below. Just a heads up, that is an affiliate link. If you buy through it, it won't cost you a penny more, but it's a huge way to support this channel. Thank you. This video is part of my playlist, the Developer's Bookshelf, If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What AI coding tool are you using right now?